I'm sure you've heard the news. Math doesn't have to be a struggle. Let's dive in. Is your child struggling with math? If yes, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Personalized math tutoring can turn that frown upside down. Imagine getting the personal attention you need, where every question is answered and every concept is crystal clear. With one-on-one sessions, our expert tutors break down complex problems step by step until it all makes sense. And it's not just about understanding, it's about learning from the best. Our professional coaches are not only math wizards, but also great mentors who make learning engaging and fun. So say goodbye to those frustrating moments and say hello to improved scores. Witness your child's transformation from confusion to clarity, from anxiety to confidence. Plus, our interactive and engaging methods make math enjoyable, turning it into a subject to look forward to. So why wait? Book a free trial class today and watch those math skills soar. Let's conquer math together.